As a makeup artist, I think sometimes people can get really intimidated. They think that we're maybe judging them or, we're fixing them in our head, but I think we see something in you that you may not see in yourself at the moment. We're almost like therapists, I think, a lot of times. My name is Myiesha, and I'm a beauty director at Sephora. And it's kind of be that liaison between Sephora and our clients. We're sort of like the voice of Sephora. And I've been with the company for about 12 years, I think. I was a cashier for a long time, and my store director, she kind of wanted to groom me to be less shy, to express my opinions, and we had the Sephora Pro auditions. And I remember trying out for them. It was extremely difficult, and then I made it. It's funny because I feel like, as a woman of color, I've actually gotten more opportunities and been in more rooms because of my perspective. I feel like people at Sephora are always curious about what I have to say. They want to make sure it's coming from an authentic perspective. When I was a kid, I used to always read magazines, and I didn't necessarily see myself, or if I did see myself, I maybe didn't see my cousins or someone of my grandma's skin tone. One of the last things I worked on as a Sephora Pro was the Sephora face palettes. And our dream was to make this really beautiful, inclusive set of palettes, and the deep one is just like our baby. When you have something that represents you, it just makes you feel special. This was sort of like a love letter to deep skin. It's important for Sephora to celebrate everybody because in my experience, we always have. I feel like Sephora has always supported so many different kinds of people and so many different kinds of ways they want to express themselves. I'm just really glad that the world is finding out about it now.